I decided to try making one of those winter wonderland fabulous arrangements. So I had Todd get one of our pots out of the shed, and I found this hollow log, and then I took my little wagon and I walked around our yard and I picked stuff and snuck into my neighbor's yard and picked stuff too, but it's okay. She told me it was all right. So, okay, let's see what happens. And well, Rainey picked that. I'm not using that. That's a Brussels sprout from the garden, who she thinks she needs to keep on dragging stuff up here. Rainey! Hi! Hi, girl! I know it's gotten really dark, but that's kind of the first phase. I'm going to add some ribbon and some ornaments and stuff to it, but I think we got a good start. Kind of some height and some fullness and some different colors. So there's step one. I already noticed that I made a mistake here. I have these berry branches I thought were so cool of an addition to my little winter wonderland, but look at my front step already. I got smashed berries all over the front step, so that's not good, is it, Rainy? Rainy, that's not good, is it? Now we're just going to cut through. Hi, ladies. Just going to cut through texture here. Hi, Barney. Yep, that's Barney, Andy, and Tina. We're just gonna walk out here and pick some of this red dogwood. Hi, guys. Barney was actually born dead, and Emma gave him CPR. I ran around the farm like a crazed fool, and she just came out and cleared his airway and brought him back to life. It was freaking amazing. Okay, so this red stuff is what I'm looking for, and it's kind of got some prickly stuff on it, so I'm just going to kind of walk the fence line here and get enough to put some color in that wreath. But I have to kind of watch because that fence, the barbed wire fence, is where the DNR land starts. Here come the ladies. So all I did is I just walked out here and picked some grass and cut the tops off the sumac bushes and trimmed some of my pine trees and shoved it all in that pot. Come on, ladies. I have never had sheep before, never thought about it, but I just love these little ladies. They're so sweet. And then this is gonna go on the front door. And like, I've never done any of this before. I'm just winging it. So I cut an extra long branch and I'm gonna pile everything on top of it and then go back to my zippy, trusty zip ties, zip it all together, and then stick that bow on the front of it. So let's see what I come up with. All right, I'm just gonna show you, I just layered the sticks on, and then that, and then that. So here's kind of how the back looks. You can see I just used zip ties to kind of secure the different layers together, and then this zip tie is gonna be the hook. So I forgot to buy a command hook for the front door, so Todd has to go to Menards later, so he's gonna get me one. But for right now, I'm just going to hang it on that nail right there. So this is like 99% finished project. I'm just going to put the wreath on the door, not on the wall there. And I have a little Christmas decoration that I'm going to hang on the wall. But I think that wreath is going to look a lot better on the door. And then the only thing I think this looks really nice. The only thing I'm mad about is these stupid berries. I mean, those berries look really cool there, but they made a huge mess, and so we're gonna have to look at this berry mess on the steps all winter. I tried scrubbing it, and then I just got ice on the steps, so I don't know. Anyway, rookie mistake. I won't use that again next year, but here's kind of the finished project. So you definitely don't have to go to the store or spend a ton of money. You just have to look around you and see your world is your craft. And it looks like the dogs have a craft going too. They hauled all this pile of junk in there. I just saw this laying here and I thought it was super funny. I guess Rain decided that I needed to add in the old Brussels sprout stock to our holiday decoration here. Thanks, Rain.